Today, in Honest Paint and Speed Shop, we have a super cool announcement. Today's video is actually sponsored by someone and not just my wallet. Today, we're going to talk about what we got in the box, and it is our video sponsored today by Orion Motor Tech. They contacted us and said they'd like to sponsor us. So they sent us a super cool tool. I know we've been teasing you about this, but so what we're going to do is we're going to get set up, and Peyton's going to open this up, and we'll show you what we're going to do.
So let's see what we got in the mail. I already opened the box from Orion Motor Tech. So it's another box. Wow. And I also opened this box too. What do we got here? It's another blue box. Brake, bleeder, and vacuum pump kit. Orion Motor Tech. Thank you guys.
Okay, so this tool is meant so you can actually bleed your brakes by yourself. Because you don't always have someone with you, and you know, this is actually really reasonably priced. I think it was $19.99 or something. You can find it right on Amazon. We got the instructions, of course, for it. First impressions on the thing. You got your catch bottle, right? Oh yeah, bubble wrap.
That's a lot of it.
It's nice metal. It's actually pretty stout for how small it is. Yeah, it's got nice, doesn't bind up. That's pretty cool.
You can even hear how smooth it is.
Yes. And then of course it comes with the tubing and then the tips. So what we're going to do is we are going to read the directions, make sure we set it up right, and kind of tell you how that went. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, you all know we have bad, well, not bad. We have a lazy brake. Clyde, we'll call it lazy. The other one's really good, the ones that put you in the ditch, but that one. So anyway, pretty cool. We'll get set up. Okay, kids, we are set up. And actually, the instructions, super easy to read. I mean, I'm an infantryman and I understood it. So anyway, it comes with these nice little clamps so you're not going to slip. Got your, suction cup kind of deal. You can hear that? Here, hold on. You hear that? Cool, right? Anyway, safety precautions, kids. It advised safety glasses, non-skid shoes. I got these. Safen up, kids, not a joke. And a hard hat, right there. So, we're set. So, we found there's a bunch of tips in there. And for our application, this is the one that fits. So, what you can do is you plunk that guy right in there, put one of your little clamps on there, and off you go. But for our situation, we actually found that the tubing fits better on there. Might not be the same for you guys, but it really, just for ours, because it's, it's old junk. So that one. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn around and you guys are going to get to look at Clyde. I know Peyton's happy about that. So we're going to get set up and we'll do the thing. Okay, so Peyton had to go do her homework. It was taking a little bit longer to get things set up. So what you got to do is you get it put together, like I showed you, right here. Actually, get it put together, right? Now, you got to find the tip that works for you, and then you pump on the handle, create a good vacuum until you get around to 20. It says right there, 20 right here. And then what you do is once that's holding good vacuum, you open it up. And it should, theoretically just suck it out of there. So the only thing that we're running into is that there's a little bit of a vacuum leak because our tip that this needs to go on is kind of a goofy size. So it's a little bit too small for the smallest one, and it's We'll have to figure it out though. So let me get that done, and then we'll get back in here. Okay, so I had to get a little creative, just because we got a weird size down there. So what I did was I actually took a tiny zip tie, and I just put it down around the end, and it's holding a good vacuum, and I'm able to do this. So let me get you over here. Now, you know, they're trying to make a good general kit for everybody, and you know, as we all know, Clyde's a drama queen, and Clyde likes to be the center of attention. So, here we go. Now, I'm gonna get this going. Get up to that 20, and then it's coming out. I don't see a lot of bubbles though. There's some bubbles, but not too many, not too many. So like I said, I just had to get a little bit creative with the zip tie, just because this is a goofy size apparently from what they have in the kit, which we all know Clyde likes to be a problem. All right, we got our 20, and there are some bubbles, but not too many, really. So we're going to give her one more. This will be, I think, 4 times. Okay. Well, now, the only thing is to really check this, you know, I got to get it out on the road to see how it's going to do. Yep. But it's a very user-friendly kit, it really is. Very user-friendly kit. So, let me get you back up here. Okay, I got it unhooked from the car. And super easy to take apart, and then of course everything goes back right in its place in the case. Now it does of course say to clean it after each use, you know, and I've got some tubes here, and I tried the 2 smaller ones just in case that it was just, you know, it was just too much, but worked just as good. Both my hands are tired from just, you know. So anyway, we'll get that put away, and we'll get you back in here for what's next. I think what we'll do is next time, when Peyton doesn't have homework to do, we'll have her do the other side, and we'll record that too, so you guys can see her using it, which is pretty cool. That it's kind of really user friendly. But make sure you read the instructions. It tells you, you know, what you need to put where, and it's got those little clamps. And just that my fitting was just a little bit smaller than their smallest one, so you know, got creative and put a little zip tie on there, and worked great. Yeah, it's not too hard to pump. I mean, after, you know, however many times I did it, you know, it can make your hand tired, but you always work on your grip strength, right? Anyway, I'm telling you, I'm glad they sent us this kit, because there was a lot of options. I mean, I tried all of it. I mean, I didn't try the T fittings because I wasn't teeing off of anything, but you know, Orion Motor Tech, we really appreciate you sending us the brake blitter kit. All in all, I think it's a good quality thing, a good quality item. Just that Clyde's not a good quality item, but yeah, you know, put it down in the comments. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a link to their YouTube channel. I'll put a link to their Instagram and their TikTok, and I'll even put a link to this this tool down in the description, so where you can find it on Amazon. And I mean, all in all, it was a great tool. Now, if it only worked on mechanical brakes. Hey, Orion Motor Tech, maybe come up with something that'll adjust my mechanical brakes just with one hand so I don't have to get underneath it. It's too bad Peyton couldn't finish the video with me. Would have liked to have her do it, but look, I got 4 more wheels on this guy, or 3 more wheels on this guy. So hope you have a great night. Keep on wrenching, have a great day.